New year, new me.
Please don't take the tree down.
We're about to take this tree down. I haven't done anything since January the 1st. Just finished cooking breakfast. I absolutely love my beauty room. Baby, ain't nothing like a clean house. A girl is tired. Good morning. Today is Monday, January the 16th. It is Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday. Woohoo! I am off of work today. My son is off of work today. And this video or vlog is going to be a get my life together vlog, because let me tell you, when January the 1st hit, I was like, new year, new me. I'm going to do XYZ. And let me tell you, your girl ain't done shit. I haven't done anything since January the 1st. My house is a mess. Today just going to be a reset vlog. So today I'm going to be getting my whole entire life together. It is currently 8:51 and I am still in the bed. But it's very rare that I get days when I could just don't wake up, get up whenever I feel like it. So I'm taking full advantage of that. But today, we got a whole lot of shit we got to get done. So we're going to take the Christmas tree down. We're also going to take my Christmas vlogging setup down. We're going to do some laundry. We're going to work on my content for February, because I ain't worked on no content at all this month. So we're going to get right back into it February. Basically, February 1st is going to be my January 1st. Do some dishes, clean the whole house up. I currently don't have a wig or anything on, so I'm going to get my whole life together. So come along while I get my life together.
1 hour later.
So it is about 1 hour later, but I finally got out of the bed. And before I get started on, getting my life together, I feel like I need to eat me something. So I'm about to cook me some breakfast, because if I don't eat, I'm probably going to be passed out, because I got a lot of stuff I got to get done today. And I'll show you what my son's doing.
I am playing Fortnite.
Yeah, he's playing Fortnite. He lives on that game, so...
I play Call of Duty sometimes, so don't be talking.
Well, he plays Call of Duty sometimes. He has a PlayStation 5 for Christmas, and he plays on that thing all day. I ain't complaining, because it gives me time to get some stuff together. And I don't know if you've seen it, but my tree was still up. Yeah, I'm a little embarrassed. But yeah, we're going to get to that later, because, yeah. Anyways, we're about to cook us some breakfast.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. Oh.
So I just finished cooking breakfast. And I'm about to eat. So once I do that, then I'm going to go ahead and get ready to, get my life together. See you guys soon. Now that I'm done eating, I'm about to take my tree down. 1, because it is January the 16th. And 2, because I'm just tired of looking at it. It has to go. Look at my son. He's like, please don't take the tree down.
No, please don't take the tree down.
But Santa already came, and Santa's not coming again until next year. So we're about to take this tree down. Y'all, it feels so good to finally have my tree down. It still looks bare, but I have to end up moving this tree back over here. I used to have a photo here, but I can't remember what photo I had. So like I said, I'm gonna take this tree. Oh my God, it's heavy. It's hard to do with just one hand. But I'm gonna put that there. I think I'm gonna put the tree there, and then I'm gonna take this and place it in front of the mirror. I think that's gonna be a vibe. I'm not sure yet. And then of course I need to vacuum out here from all the decor that we had, all the glitter and the ribbon, the garland. I actually need to take my vlogging setup down that I have in my room. So I'm probably gonna do that next because I'm about to start giving you guys content. I know I say that like every single video, but I'm oh so serious this time. So I'm in my beauty room. It needs to be clean, but it's not really that bad. It needs to be vacuumed and stuff. And of course I got Amazon packages. I mean, who don't have Amazon packages just laying around? My vanity, yeah, we're not even gonna discuss that. But I still have my Christmas set up here. So I need to do something about that. I'm gonna actually just go ahead and take that down too, since I'm, you know, taking all the Christmas decor down. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and take that down. I'll see you guys shortly. Now I finally got all the Christmas decor taken down from my Vlogmas Christmas setup. This is what it's looking like normally. I absolutely love my beauty room. If y'all want a beauty room tour, comment down below and I'll try to give you a beauty room tour because it was really simple, really cheap. I'm cheap, but anyways, a girl is tired. I am. Whew. Boy, oh boy. But now that I have all of that done, I'm about to do some house chores such as laundry and dishes. And you know it's a Monday. You know it's a new week. So with new weeks, you want to make sure you start the week off with, you know, a clean house, a clean slate. I feel like when I start the week off with a clean house and everything's in order, I have a more productive week. So definitely gonna do something to this head of mine. Don't know if that'll be in this video or not, but let's go do some laundry. You a bad girl and your friends. I don't know if I'm just lazy or what, but your girl is tired. But I'm almost done. I'm gonna actually clean my kitchen next. That's on my next, you know, the next on the to-do list. It's not really that bad. Basically I just have to put some dishes up. So I have dishes here. Oh God, these are dishes that I've already washed. So these need to go up. But then I have dishes here that need to be cleaned. So I'm gonna clean out my sink and then get ready to clean those. And then I'm gonna actually take these and put these up. Then I cook breakfast. So this is from breakfast from earlier. And y'all, I can explain. This is my gingerbread house that we made for Christmas. We made it Christmas Eve and we still have it. Like I told y'all, we just been super lazy, so I need to throw that away. Once I throw that away, I'm just gonna have to basically clean up everything over here, wipe it down, and then that's probably gonna be it because your girl is tired. So watch me do these dishes.
Bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. Oh, I may be young, but I'm ready to give you all my love. I told my girl you can get it. Don't slow it down, just let it go. So in love, I'll give it all away. Just don't tell nobody tomorrow. So tonight, I'll do it every way. Because not until the morning light, we like to party.
So that is gonna conclude my Get My Life Together vlog. Basically, you saw me, you know, get my life together, take my tree down, take my vlogging setup down, clean up a little bit. I'm gonna insert some clips of my whole house being clean. Baby, ain't nothing like a clean house. Yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Until next time.